So now he is the Alpha Chad double jumper, and you can get a character going just like this. Hello! In this video I'm going to show you how to take your single jumping character, absolutely not a Chad, no good, into the Alpha Chad double jumper. So let's get right into the video. We are coming to you live from a pre-recorded instance. Okay, so this video assumes that you have the default 2D platforming script built into the player. It's the default that comes with the player. And as you can see, we can only single jump here, so that's what we're trying to fix, right? He's not very much of a Chad. He's not going to make it up there. There's just no way. So let's go ahead. Let's go make some fixes. So the first thing I'm going to do is, you can see, we have our game scene here. I'm going to go over to my player. I'm going to go hit up his script. Make sure that you're in the player script. And you can see that this is what the default script looks like for the player movement. And so what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to create a new variable. I'm going to call that variable jumps left. And I'm going to assign that to 2. Okay, I'm going to put some separation there. And then if you see this, if input is action just pressed, you accept it. This is where our jump is coming in, and it's requiring that we're on the floor. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that. I'm going to replace that with jumps left is greater than 0. And right now, you could just jump infinitely now with endless jumps. But what we're going to do is we're going to say, when we do this, we're going to do jumps left minus equals 1. So now it's going to lose 1 every time. And then under physics process, you can see here we have the if not is on floor for velocity. And then we're actually going to do something kind of like that. Like, we're just going to use the on floor function. So we're going to say is on floor. And then I'm going to go ahead and say, mistype. And then I'm going to go ahead and say that whenever this happens, we're going to reassign jumps left to 2. And it really is that easy. So now when we go ahead and run our game, you can see that we can now double jump, right? And then if I try to just continuously keep on jumping, it just can't happen. So now, we can reach our ultimate goal of getting this coin. And seeing that I didn't go very far with my map, I got pretty lazy. So yeah, that's all that you need to know. I hope that helped. If it did, please like and subscribe.